In a forgotten moment of political comedy, Donald Trump found himself at a press conference where he tried to communicate with the media using Morse code. As he tapped his fingers on the podium, the baffled reporters exchanged glances, unsure if this was a new communication strategy or a joke. The confusion escalated as Trump seemed oblivious to the laughter erupting from his staff. Soon, social media lit up with memes and jokes about the unexpected Morse code blunder, highlighting how humor can enter the most serious of spaces. This moment not only lightened the mood, but also showed that even in politics, laughter can unite us.